Hello Ryan, it's Zurab here at Fast Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2007 Road King Classic, which has around 39,000 kilometers on it, and the price is 11,888 plus HST and licensing. We don't charge any extra fees. This motorcycle comes fully certified and is ready to go. It has a brand new front tire, new rear tire. It has the highway packs, footrests, those leather wrapped hard bags, the rider's backrest, the passenger's quick release backrest, Screaming Eagle exhaust, high flow air filter. It has modified cluster, which has a tachometer as well. It has a cruise control. It has alarm system as well. All the lights been upgraded to LEDs, and they look awesome. Even the signals, they are LEDs. And same at the back too. And it's very, very bright. The motorcycle is in absolutely perfect condition. Toe shifter, heel shifter. Has the phone charger with a USB. The windshield is quick release as well. It's removable. So the bike is ready to go. Any question regarding this motorcycle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.